Hey, what's up, friends and family, and welcome back to STC Investing. It's Juan here, ready to cover some great material with you guys. As always, I wish you guys a great day. Let me know in the comments below how you guys are doing for today. Hope the stock market is treating you guys well. Before we move on, just wanted to add that I'm not a financial expert or a licensed professional. If you plan on investing in the stock market or crypto, consult with one first and invest at your own risk. In this video, I want to share with you guys updates to my investing portfolio and some of my current positions and strategies during this crash. As you guys can see here, my account has taken a pretty good dip. Let's go ahead and just move around the graph. My all-time high so far year to date is 98,900, and it went all the way down to 83, and it actually went even lower. So total in all, my portfolio currently all-time high versus new low. That's a difference of about $15,000, guys. That's currently how much down I am on my position. But all this that's going on, in my opinion, is just a very short-term perspective or a very short-term sell-off. One stock that took a big hit was Tesla, of course, guys. Tesla was one of my majority positions, but I've sold some to enter other positions, but I'm still all the way in for Tesla, and I'll explain why, guys. So coming down here, just scrolling a little bit, we'll see the ratings that the Robinhood app already provides, how many people are buying, holding, and selling. And as we can see here, guys, a lot of people are holding and a lot of people are still buying. So these two numbers versus this is still very bullish for Tesla. And then I also wanted take a look at the earnings with you guys. So this dot over here means what they were estimating Tesla was going to hit in terms of earnings or revenue, and then of course this dot means that what they actually hit. So as we can see here, this is what they've been predicting or estimating, and I feel like this one was a little bit overestimated the end of Q4 for 2020. I feel like this estimated should have been like on par with this one, and if it was on par with this one, then Tesla would actually beat expectations and the stock price would be going up instead of it was going down. But I feel like they overestimated this earnings. I mean, come on, guys. We were barely ending 2020, and 2020 has been a very unique year. A lot of unfortunate things have happened throughout 2020, so it's understandable that Tesla failed to hit that goal by just a little bit, but I feel like that estimate was a little bit too much. I feel like it should have been on par with this or less. In my opinion, that's being 100% realistic. I still believe in Tesla, that they're doing good and they're going to be good in the long term, but a lot of things have happened lately that are really outside of our control. But let's also take a look at the graph. In less than 3 months, Tesla went all the way up to 880, and then it crashed back down to 688. So just how easily in less than 3 months Tesla was able to come down this much. It took less than 3 months for that to happen. So it's pretty, this is a guess, totally in my opinion. You know, no one really knows what the stock market is going to do over time, but I would say that if it took less than 3 months or maybe about a month for a crash to happen in Tesla, then in about a month to 3 months, I would assume it's pretty safe to say that in that same time frame, it could also easily go back up. Nevertheless, guys, Tesla is one of my long-term positions. I don't plan on selling. I just plan on getting more of Tesla. And likewise, I have other positions that I have a long-term outlook on, as you guys can see here, and so my cryptos positions within the Robinhood app. The funds across my investment portfolio vary time to time, but I'll do a better job of keeping you guys posted on any changes I do and any positions I enter. Something I'll cover in the next video is a quick dive into my option positions, so I can share that with you guys and teach you guys a little bit more about options so you get the ball rolling on that as well. But it is very important if you are new to investing. It is important, I would say, to stick to this section and maybe do not touch options for a while, because options can literally make you more money or make you lose way more money. For example, let's go ahead and see how much I'm down on this position. I'm at a $3,700 loss just on this one option play. But there's 6 contracts in that within that option play. It's a little bit too much to explain in this video, guys. I just wanted to go over it with you guys. And what is my strategy in all of this is to just wait and hold. Don't sell. Do not sell at a loss. Yes, my portfolio is currently down $15,000, but that is a unrealized loss. I don't actually lose money until I actually physically sell. Like, let's say, for example, let's come down here. We have CLF, Cleveland Cliffs. So this one I'm down currently 3,800. I could easily sell all my shares here and get back this amount of money. But I don't see a point in doing this since I'm bullish on this stock and I believe it's going to come back up and come back to my cost basis for these amounts, for all these shares, or surpass it. So all I have to do is just wait and see if it comes back up, which I'm pretty bullish on. And if we look at the graph here, guys, there's 67% of people that are buying the stock and 33% are holding. Literally no one is selling. So I feel like it's like a false crash. I feel like it's going to come back up and it's going to surpass these highs. And coming down to this graph here, guys, we have their earnings. And looking at the year for 2020, this is how this stock performed. As you can see, guys, it beat almost every expectation. And for Q4, that was the only one where they hit less expectations. But similar to Tesla, if the estimated would have been on par with Q3, then it actually would have been bullish for this stock. But I feel like Tesla and this stock got overestimated on their earnings and they underperformed, and now they're taking a hit. They took a pretty good dip. Likewise to Tesla, this one dropped. So there's definitely a lot of opportunities currently in the market, guys. So keep your eyes open, guys, and see which stocks are most attractive to what you're looking for in your overall investments. Nevertheless, guys, if you have any questions on what I've covered so far, feel free to let me know in the comments below. And if you guys plan on using the Robinhood app or Webull, feel free to use my referral link that's down in the description, and you'll get 1 or more free stocks, and I'll get 1 as well, which is pretty sweet. Hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.